10-7, circumference and area of circles. The orange circle is labeled circle C because C is the center of the circle. And circles are always given their name by the letter that describes the center of the BE is a diameter simply because it goes from one end of the circle all the way to the other end of the circle through the center of the circle, point C. CD is a radius. It is half the diameter. It starts at the center of the circle and extends outward to the edge of the circle. We say that CD, CE, and CB are radii because radii is plural for the word radius. The distance around the outside edge of a circle is called the circumference. It's given by two formulas, C equals pi d or C equals 2 pi r. C is the circumference. D is the diameter. And r is the radius. These formulas, C equals pi d and C equals 2 pi r, they're the same formula. We can express it in terms of the diameter or the radius as being the diameter is 2 of the radii. You can use either formula. It is entirely up to you. I would choose the one based on what information you're given within the circle. And finally, our friend pi. We will use 3.14, or if you have a scientific calculator, you can use the pi button on the calculator. When you go to find the circumference of a circle, you should make your answer have 1 or 2 decimal places, but no more than that. You should round off. And a circle has an area of a square units, written the same way as our lesson 2 lessons ago, and a radius of r units. Then the area of a circle is pi r squared. So in the case of area, you need to have the radius of the circle in order to find the area of the circle. And just like finding the area of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids, these problems are simply going to require you to substitute in the radius or the diameter to find the area or the perimeter or the circumference of the circle. Your problems are going to be on pages 536 and 537, 10 through 30, all of them.